So good morning class, ninth D. So now I am going to share my screen. I hope my screen is visible to everybody.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So just give me a second. As you know, my question was enter two number and print the addition, subtraction and multiplication of two numbers, right? So now this time
Yes.
here in this class, in this program, we are going to take input from the keyboard. So again, I am using the first line as import java.util.asterisk. Then the class name I have used show, then public static, then scanner. After that, we are inputting two numbers, right? So that two numbers we can store in like A, B, and then product. P stands for you can use product, then addition, and then su. These variables I am using for this. Now here I am giving a message enter two number and storing in A and B. So now after that what we are supposed to do, we are supposed to print the addition. So for that we have used a variable ad. So where ad equals to A plus B, and for product A into B, and for sum, for finding the sum, see, subtraction, if you are dividing A, if you are subtracting A minus B, so in case if A is smaller, then you will get the result in positive. So what we are supposed to do, we are supposed to find the smallest and the largest. So for that what we can do, we can do like this. Then first of all we can easily find the minimum, the smallest and the largest. You can use the variables of your choice as I have used here. L, in which we are storing the maximum of two number, that is A comma B, and the small in S we are storing the smallest. Then after that for finding the subtraction what we can do, the largest minus the smallest. After that we are supposed to print the result. So how you will print? Like addition. So the variable in which you have stored the result, that is your AD. We are printing that. Now for the product, you can use P, because this P I have used as a, and now for subtraction I have used SU. After that we are supposed to execute the program. So for executing the program, the common steps are control 1 for compiling, there is no error, and now then control 2 for the execution of the number. So now see, the two number I have entered 5 and 10. So this 5 we have stored in A, and B, 10 we have stored in B. So A plus B, that is 15. Product is this 50, and the subtraction is 5 minus 10. Must be minus 5, but here it is coming 5. Why? Because first I have calculated the smallest as well as the largest. Then ultimately I am just subtracting largest minus smallest. Any doubt here? Anybody?
No, sir.
Vaibhav Krishna, Yashvardhan, Priyansh.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. So I hope this question is clear to everybody, right? So now again I am repeating the whole recording I am doing. So this recording also I will upload in the GCR after the class. Okay. So now just try the next question, and that solution you will post in the GCR only. Write down the question. Now my next question is for the classwork is web to print the web to enter two integers and print their absolute difference. Write down everybody this question in your notebook and send the solution in the GCR only. We have to enter two integers and print their absolute difference. So any idea about this? What is absolute difference? Yashwardhan, please tell me.
Sir, absolute difference is that the number will not be negative.
Yes.
It has to be positive.
Yes, the answer should be positive. Okay, that means how you will get the result in positive? Whenever you are subtracting the smaller number by the bigger one. Okay, please do it fast, everybody. And again I am repeating, you need to show the send the solution in the GCR only. And after posting the solution, please let me know whether you have who has posted. No, beta, don't send in the chat, please. Kushal. You can post in the GCR. This is the correct way. Here I can tell you the mistakes also. But after posting, just please let me know. And those who are comfortable to post in the chat box, they can share in the chat box also. But it is always better to send the solution in the GCR.
So shall we start the program?
Why not, beta? Why are you waiting? I have already given. Please. The question I have already given. Those who are using directly a computer, they can copy and paste in the GCR. Or those who are using the notebook, they can take the pic and send it to me on the GCR. Do not WhatsApp me. But at Kushagra only one line is there, java.util, nothing else. Take your time, bachcho, don't worry. That is why I was saying, beta Kushagra, do not use the chat box for posting this. Sometimes this is the problem. Or you can send me on my personal chat. Just try to send. Vedant Upadhyay, are you doing?
Yes, sir, I'm doing.
Those who have posted in the GCR, please let me know after posting whether you have posted or not.
Sir, there is no option to post in the GCR.
Who is this?
So Maitre Trivedi.
Maitre beta, you can comment under that class recording
Okay, sir.
of 9D or 9th A. You are getting two options. Even my screen is visible. Here you can post, announce something to your class. And is it active or not, this option? Okay, Maitri, I got it. Very good, beta Maitri. Well done. Maitri, are you getting your program?
In the chat box.
Maitri?
Yes.
Yeah, it is correct, beta. Absolutely fine. Thank you.
Sir, I have posted.
Okay, Vaibhav, just give me a second, beta. Vaibhav Divedi. Sorry, Vaibhav Krishna. Vaibhav Krishna, beta, this was the last program, na? This is not the correct one. The current one I have not given. This was the homework.
Yes.
Give me the solution of the current question. See, class, you are supposed to post as a solution as a comment, as you know, Matri has sent. As you can see on my screen, it is visible.
Excuse me, sir. It's Maitre.
Matre. Okay, sorry. Yashvardhan.
Sir, I have done it, sir, but it is not accepting pics as a GCR. So, sir, I have to do it
But I
again
just
in
post
the
as a
comment.
comment.
Sir, in that, I am not able to fit a photo, sir. Sir, I'll send it in some time.
Okay, no problem. Okay, Vaibhav Krishna is absolutely fine, beta. Please note down this program in the notebook also.
Okay,
Sir, I
sir.
have also sent.
Where?
Sir, in the comment section under the class recording, 9A.
Okay. It has not reached. Just a minute.
Sir, I have done, sir. Can I send on your personal chat?
No, please, beta, don't send on my personal chat. Ishita Singh, I received. Beta,
Sir,
Ishita,
why it is not?
Yes, sir.
beta, it is correct, but just the class name is not correct. Integer is a keyword. So don't use this integer word as a class name. Rest is fine. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Who else?
Sir, I have done, sir. I cannot post, sir. Sir, I have done in notebook.
Beta, just take the picture and post in as as a comment in your GCR only. Who else? Now, as you can see, the solution I am posting here. See, the class name integer is not correct. And before that, you have written, beta Ishita, that import java.util.scanner. Instead of a scanner, just write down asterisk. Okay. After that, public static class main. Then the input to number and find the maximum and the minimum. Then subtract largest minus smallest and print the difference. I hope this one is clear.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now we are going to start the new program. Vaibhav Krishna, it is correct, beta.
Sir,
Yes. Okay, now get ready for the next question, all of you. Please note down the next question. Write a program to print area of circle. Do it fast. Where the area of circle is AR equals to pi r square. This is the formula. Please do it fast.
So we have to take pi as 22/7 or 3.14.
Beta, take as 3.14. Okay.
Okay.
Now see, on your screen I have shown you the solution of the previous solution, previous question, in which we were inputting two numbers and we were printing the absolute difference. So for that we have finded the minimum and the largest, then largest minus the smallest, and storing the result in SU and printing the result as SU. So those who have not done, they can copy it from here. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
And this solution I am posting in the GCR also. You can see later also. You can go through the solution after the class. I have posted the solution in the GCR. So the next question is web to print area of circle. These programs you need to copy in the fair notebook, everyone. Please remember this. Okay, Vaibhav Krishna? Thank you. I hope all these questions everyone is getting. Vedant Upadhyay, you have not posted any solution. Shefali, any doubt, beta?
No, sir.
Okay, very good. Do it. Shaur Tiwari, Ridhima,
Yes.
are you doing beta?
Yes, sir.
Good. See, this is very, very important to do, attempt all the questions, whatever we are doing, I am giving you in the class. Because if you are not doing, you are going to face problem. So what type of variables are required in this question? Who will tell?
Sir, R for radius and sir, AR for area.
So what type? I am asking what type of variables are required? Whether it is integer.
Sir, double type, sir.
Yes,
Double type.
absolutely
Sir,
correct.
double type.
So double type variables are required. Okay. So use that only. So should I explain or you will try yourself?
Sir, I've posted
Can
it,
you
but
repeat
I
the question?
it's a type variables.
See, after posting, please let me know whether you have posted or not. I will check also. No, beta. Yes, Maitri. Maitri, enter the radius you have used integer. That's okay, but the correct answer you will not get because 3.14 into R, and again you are storing the result in the integer variable. So you will not get the accurate answer. Okay, Maitri?
Sir,
Okay,
can
sir.
you repeat the question, sir?
But my question was very easy. The question was web to, see on your screen it is there, web to print area of circle, right?
Sir, where area is, sorry, you were saying something.
Beta, area, the formula you must be knowing, you are in class 9. Where area
sir.
equals to pi
Yes,
r
sir.
square. If I know the formula, then you must be knowing beta. But I have written for you pi r square, where the value of pi is already fixed. That is 3.14. Am I clear?
Sir,
Yes, sir.
Where you have posted?
Sir, in the class recording.
In the not a class recording, that's a GCR. Shreya Singh, right? Yes. Shreya, it is wrong, beta, but well try. See, Shreya, see the screen.
Yes.
The problem is till here it is correct. But see, whenever you are writing mat.pow, always M must be in capital letter.
Yes, sir.
And for finding the power, r comma 2 must be there, not r comma r. Am I clear this?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, so this is the solution. So now let me discuss this solution.
Sir, I have posted.
Sir, I have also posted.
Kashvi Verma. Yeah, it is fine,
Yes,
beta.
sir.
Absolutely fine. Thank you. Maitri Divedi, Ishita, Weber, Krishna, Shreya. Okay. So now let me discuss this question. Everybody, please pay
Sir, I
attention
have
now.
also sent.
Now wait. So now please look at here. So now in this question, what we are going to do? Enter input. The message this time I'm going to use this. And now the variables which we are supposed to use must be of
R and A.
yes. Right? So enter radius and we are storing the radius in a variable r. And now this time we are using double type variable.
Next double.
So what we are supposed to use? Next double instead of next int. And now the formula that everybody knows, that is 3.14 into r into r. This is also correct. Instead of math.pow r comma 2, we can write r into r also. We can use this repetition method also. Or if you want to use this you can use like this. Am I clear? And then
Yes.
the area is AR. Now let me show you the execution. Now see. So the area, the radius I am inputting, that is 3.2. And now this is the correct solution. Matre, if you are not using the double variable as the result, then you will not get the accurate answer. Am I clear, everyone?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
I hope this one is clear for everybody.
Yes.
Those who are not, in case of any query, they can ask. Okay.
Sir,
Yes, beta. Vibha Krishna, your solution was correct.
Okay,
sir,
sir.
I had also posted the solution in the 9D class recording.
Okay, beta. Beta, you can tell only Yashvardhan ki you have posted solution in the GCR. Okay. Yes, absolutely fine. So that recording I will see later also. Just give me a second. Yashvardhan. Yashvardhan, I didn't receive. Okay, I got it. Ishita Singh, your is correct. But better to use double variable beta. Okay. Okay. Excuse me. So now let me pose this solution. Yashvardhan, your was correct, but better to use beta instead of integer, use double. Like here you have used next int. It must be next double, and 22 upon 7 must be there, not the backslash. That is wrong. Okay. Yashvardhan, are you getting this correction? Yashvardhan, you speak up, beta.
Sir, I have also posted the solution in the GCR.
Okay, may I know your name, beta?
So Kashish Gupta.
Okay. I have also posted the solution in the GCR. Kashish beta, just give me a second. Yes, Kashish. Absolutely correct beta, Kashish, but better to use, this next int you have used. So instead of next int, it must be next double. Rest is fine beta. Okay?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay. So class, with this, I am ending today's class. Now just write down a homework. Yashvardhan, please write down a homework. The question is there on your screen. Please note down. Please note down everyone, where the value of s equals to half ut plus gt square. This symbol is known as the square symbol. Please note down. Find the value of s, where s equals to half ut plus gt square. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
This question I am posting in the GCR also. Okay, with this I am ending today's class. In the next class we will discuss the same question, then we will do more programs. Okay, thank you so much class.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
So beta, ma'am is there, so she is the host now, so I am leaving beta. Thank you so much class. I will post the
Thank you.
solution in the I will post the question in the GCR also. Thank you.